This is the fill head that's used on both our NT and HD series bulk bag fillers. It's basically a tube within a tube. The innermost tube here is the actual fill tube where the material enters the bag. The outer tube here creates an annular gap that allows the air that's displaced from the bag, gives it a place to go, and it is discharged through the dust stub in the bag. I place the bag on the filler by sliding the straps over the retention arms. The spout is now pulled up over the bladder, and I'm going to push the inflate button to inflate the bladder. By inflating the bladder, I'm creating a dust seal during the filling process. The bladder is going to hold the spout up while the bag is being filled, and the filling process begins. Now the filling operation is complete. The operator simply hits the deflate button, deflates the bladder, pulls the spout down off the fill tube, ties the fill spout, and removes the bag from the frame.